Hey guys, you ready for another cool video from Techmo? Then subscribe to our channel if you haven't, and make sure to watch till the end so you don't miss out on the fun. Modern technology benefits humanity in a variety of ways. The truth is that we may not be able to achieve certain tasks without technology. So instead of giving a lesson about how technology has transformed the character of military operations over time, we're going to show you some of the best and coolest police and military gadgets that could only be made possible by technology. You might come across some previously undiscovered, fantastic gadgets because they are not well known. Number 15. The DARPA's PCAS. To carry out pre-planned strikes in normal close air support conditions, air and ground troops must rely primarily on voice communications and base maps. The technique is sloppy and slow at times. To change this, DARPA or DARPA devises PCAS, a new concept. The primary purpose of PCAS, or Persistent Close Air Support, is to improve air support effectiveness by allowing dismounted ground agents such as JTACs or Joint Thermal Attack Controllers and combat crews to transmit real-time situational awareness and weapon system information. Ground-based agents would be able to reliably detect many targets at the same time. Number 14. The Big Dog. Soldiers must always carry big weights with them, whether they are in a fight or not. Sure, the military has far greater endurance than the average person, but they're still people. Armored trucks and other specialized military vehicles are typically utilized to transport these extra hefty loads. DARPA and Boston Dynamics collaborated on an idea in 2005 to have a computer-controlled robot handle the heavy lifting for the military. Even though the program was scrapped due to its impracticality, it featured a powerful gasoline engine with a maximum load limit of 10 kgs. It also contained a fiber optic gyroscope and an IMU, which allowed it to stand on tough terrain and up to 45 degrees of incline. Number 13. The Throwbot XT. The Throwbot XT is a tactical robot that is adaptable, stealthy, and easy to deploy. It can be utilized for a variety of research and rescue missions. These small bots can broadcast audio and video signals from ordinarily unreachable regions, making it easier to detect unlawful and explosive goods. It is lightweight, weighing only 540 grams, and has a maximum range of 36 meters as previously stated. The robot also has infrared mechanism built in that activates when it's low supply of light, allowing it to work in complete darkness. Number 12. The Wolfhound Backpack. The Wolfhound is an electronic warfare device that allows troops to track down and listen in on enemy conversations, while also locating radio operators. On patrols, operators who can communicate in the enemy's language carry the backpacks and translate what is said for ground commanders. Even if there is no soldiers present who can understand the local language, the system can nevertheless capture signals for later analysis. Number 11. Virtual reality headsets. The Norwegian Army now has tanks with 4 spherical cameras and an Oculus Rift headset that allows tankers to see the battlefield through the armor as if it were not there. The Norwegian Army, on the other hand, seeks to upgrade the system to make it more durable and responsive, while other devices such as the F-35 helmet has provided this capability to some US soldiers. Number 10. The Simon Grenade Rifle Entry Munition. One of the most dangerous components of the clearing operation is breaching an enemy door, but the Simon Grenade Rifle Entry Munition makes it safer and easier. Riflemen attach the GREM to the barrel of their weapon and shoot a bullet. The GREM is triggered by the round, which travels 50 to 100 feet before exploding right beyond the door. The bomb shatters the door, allowing troops to enter through the breach. Number 9. The Xflex Blast Protection. The Engineer Research and Development Center, that's the U.S. Army Corps Division, created the Xflex Blast Protection System to protect residents and military personnel from bomb debris and flying metal shrapnel. With the help of a particular type of glue that can hold it together during a blast, the material can be placed on the interior of the wall. The Xflex is constructed of a polymer composite that is firmly integrated with a strong fiber to provide flexibility and power. Number 8. Exacto. DARPA's Extreme Accuracy Tasked Ordnance Program is working on a type of smart and self-guided bullets that can adjust their projected path during flight to coincide with the movement of the target or owing to any external circumstances that may cause the bullet to deviate from its intended path. It contains a powerful real-time optical guidance system that allows you to track and direct projectile bullets to their targets. While taking into account weather, wind, target movement, and other variables, Russia also announced in 2016 that they were working on the same smart bullet that can hit targets up to 10 kilometers away. Number 7. Lightsaber. The Tech Torch is a device that is sometimes referred to as a lightsaber. The Air Force developed a breach tool that produces 5,000 degrees flame capable of slicing through steel in seconds. The Tech Torch was developed in response to the request from Special Operations personnel, and it uses 2-second cartridges. Number 6. One-Shot XG. Aiming for and effectively engaging a target thousands of meters distant is an incredible feat. Many external influences such as wind speeds, Coriolis force, topography, and so on might cause the bullet to modify its route. Although it is up to them how to regulate such issues, a little technological assistance can be quite helpful. DARPA revealed the Advanced One-Shot XG program in 2013 to significantly increase the efficiency of military snipers. The program revolves around a tiny mountable sight system that can be mounted on the weapon's barrel or its spotting scout. Using an internal OS, the sight is designed to automatically calculate several critical variables such as wind conditions, weapon alignment, and so on. Number 5. Extat, Rapid Hemostasis System. The Rapid Hemostasis System, or Extat, is a groundbreaking device for preventing excessive blood loss due to battlefield injuries. In most cases, a simple tourniquet is employed in these situations, and it works most of the time. However, a medical firm based in the United States has developed an effective method of totally stopping blood loss. The method uses an injector syringe and sponge-like tablets that inflate when they come into contact with the wound. A hemostatic blood-stopping agent is actively covering these sponges. In less than 15 seconds, the wound can be filled with inflated sponges, allowing hemostasis to set in and completely stop the blood loss. Number 4. XOS2 Exoskeleton. This robotic outfit can boost a human's strength, endurance, and agility to the point where he can be classified as a superhuman. The next generation XOS2 suit is made up of significantly lighter materials and uses about half as much energy as its predecessor, the XOS1. XOS2 uses a combination of controllers and high-end sensors to achieve its goal. It's made of strengthened aluminum and steel, both of which are necessary for completing various duties. It also employs high-pressure hydraulics to enable the user to lift nearly all heavy objects at 17:1 ratio. Humans can now lift heavy weights without becoming exhausted or injuring themselves. Number 3. The C40PS Hybrid Headset. In densely populated locations, air support and drop-ins are critical components of military operations. However, those processes create a different type of issue: excessive noise. Due to the very high-pitched noise created by helicopter rotor blades, communication breakdown between military personnel is fairly prevalent. To address this issue, the US military produced a highly modified headset with improved noise cancellation capabilities that can be used in a variety of environments, including the MH-47G Chinooks, MH-6M Little Birds, MH-60K Blackhawks, and other similar maritime platforms. The military-grade headsets feature a sturdy steel core cable and a redesigned collar clip for added stability. Even though it was first employed in active combat in 2012, many special forces still rely on its due stability and durability. Number 2. Liquid Armor. The liquid armor, which is still being researched by MIT and the United States Army Research Laboratory, or ARL, is perhaps the most advanced armor till date. The liquid armor is made up of synthetic fibers, Kevlar, that has been soaked in a thickening fluid. These fluids react in different ways depending on the situation. All studies to date have shown that when a brute force is given to the liquid-soaked Kevlar at a specific spot, it becomes much toughened. Non-Newtonian fluid, or STF, is the fluid utilized in this. Number 1. Wrist-mounted display. Wouldn't it be amazing to have one of these super devices that could handle everything instead of several ones? Not only do we need something like this, but the military needs as well, which is why the Army is now looking for a means to combine numerous critical technologies into one super wrist gadget. This device would require less power and be able to withstand far more, allowing it to function flawlessly in any terrain and under any conditions. It can also be used as a hub for sending and receiving signals, as well as other vital activities by a soldier. Thanks for watching, guys. If you want us to do a video for you, then tell us in the comment section. Please like and share our video, and also subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on any more videos like this from us. Until next time, goodbye for now.